Welcome back. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: the current market value of the 2017 $5 United States banknote. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the market value, let's take a moment to appreciate the design and features of this intriguing piece of currency. Here it is, the 2017 $5 bill featuring Abraham Lincoln and the Lincoln Memorial. The vibrant colors, intricate details, and security features make it a noteworthy addition to it. Now, let's shift our focus to the burning question: what is the current market value of this particular banknote? Several factors influence the value of banknotes, including rarity, condition, and demand among collectors. Let's explore how these factors are affecting the 2017 $5 bill. We reached out to currency experts to gain insights into the current market trends. According to Heritage, the 2017 $5 bill has seen a gradual increase in value due to its unique design and limited production. Now, let's head to online marketplaces to check the real-time value. As of today, the 2017 $5 bill is trading at around $77,500 in the market. Keep in mind that prices can vary based on the bill's condition and other factors. That wraps up our exploration of the 2017 $5 United States banknotes market value. Until next time, happy collecting.